Safety first, we're in Illinois. All right, good morning. I think I've already said that. It's really, really morning. It's kind of morning. It's like 9:56. The car says it's 9:56. Guys, we are on our way to PRI, and it is an exciting day. Next to, you know, a half a dozen other major shows that go on across the country every year, the PRI show is one of those shows that's like in my backyard. It's 4.5 hours, give or take, away, and kind of depends on how fast you drive. You know, here, I'm not gonna say how fast I cruise, but yo, we roll. All right, so every time I travel, I do a giveaway, you know, guess the MPG. So if you're interested in winning some sweet swag, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I do random trips. I do some pretty random trips in some very random cars, and it's kind of fun. And you get an opportunity to win. Not only do you get a chance to win a gift from wherever I'm going, but you also get a chance to win some sweet RwdyAudi swag, some stickers, and whatever fun stuff I decide to shove in there. So, and it doesn't cost you a single thing to enter except for a little bit of your time. So why not get some free stuff, right? But I was talking about the PRI show. So the PRI show is similar to SEMA, but it's more like the tech of SEMA. There's really not a lot of cars there. There are a lot of cars, but it's not show cars. It's race cars. It's race cars. It's functional stuff, and you probably could not find a car there that's got a crappy weld on it. Like, seriously. These cars, we're talking about cars like, give you a point of context here. We've all seen Street Outlaws. In 2019, Farm Truck and Asian were there. A couple of the, I think, I'm trying to remember I think it was Dominator was there. I've got some pictures, maybe I can cut them in here. But there was a lot of manufacturers, like Radium Fuel Cells is there. Anti-gravity batteries, all these manufacturers, even the small guys that are making little components of things like Zeus connectors, Zeus fasteners. The guys who manufacture those are there. So it's a very interesting show, and it's a great opportunity as well for creators, business owners, and just overall anybody in the automotive industry from A to Z to come together and to share your knowledge, your expertise, and to just network. All right, well, I think I'm here. The address is 425 Massachusetts Avenue. It says at the condo. I think I'm in the right spot, but I don't know. We're gonna find out. Time to get on foot. All right, guys, so I know I haven't turned the camera on a lot today, but I'm still trying to get acclimated to Indianapolis. So I've already walked through the PRI show itself a little bit, just getting my feet wet, feeling it out, seeing what's what, you know, lay of the land type of thing. Honest here, I'm struggling a little bit on figuring out exactly how I'm gonna cover it for Vlogmas and conduct business. So it's like this is a double-edged sword event for me. I'm here to grow the brand, I'm here to grow my company, but I'm also here to develop connections. So not necessary, and because of Real Talk Vlogs and the podcast, to expand that brand and to bring more valuable content and more entertainment to you guys as viewers. So adjusting to this is part of the battle that I'm facing right now as a creator here, is how am I going to do that? And it's just something I wanted to note in this upload, because I'm kind of having this gut feeling based on what I've already uploaded that this might not be a long video, which is 100% fine. It's just different. So now that I've already walked through the PRI show, I've set the GPS to take me, whichever, to where all the tow rigs are, the trailers, all the cool toy haulers. So I'm gonna go down there real quick. It says it's like 8 minutes away, 9 minutes away if I'm being green, and we're gonna go do a quick walkthrough. So let's go do it. This time I am gonna bring the camera in. We will film some stuff, cuz B-roll, hashtag cuz B-roll, but more so we can all dream together, because I know just a few days ago we were talking about dream tow rigs. So let's go let our minds wander on the things that we can dream about and put on our Christmas list for 2021. Let's go for a ride. All right, here we go. We're filling it up. Let's see how much it costs to actually do it. So every time I go on a trip, I drive especially, I always do a giveaway on my Instagram feeds. If you don't follow me already on Instagram, jump over there, guys. I do a travel giveaway every time, and usually it's a guess the MPG. This time the winner is gonna get a special gift that I'm gonna send to him. 'Tis the season, you know, it's Christmas time, why not? Now we are still filling this thing up. It's crazy how much fuel it takes. But this time I'm going to also send a special gift to our lucky winner. So haven't figured out who it is yet. The giveaway closes at midnight, so I got a few hours before we close it. But $44.38, 14.3 gallons, so I'm gonna say we probably got around 17 miles-ish to a gallon. That's my rough guess. All right, well, it is what it is. We'll find out. So I lied. We did not go to the dome, and that's mostly because I forgot about daylight, time zone things. Mostly because I forgot about time zone things. So what I thought was 4 o'clock and plenty of time to get there, the reality was it was more like 5 o'clock and they were closing. So instead, I went to Walmart, did some grocery shopping. We seen an Instagram sandwich thing, and I sent it to the boys, and I was like, hey, we gotta try this. It's basically where they scrambled an egg inside of a pan with a piece of bread in it, and then they put all this sort of yummy ingredients. So instead of buying yummy ingredients individually, I decided to buy just crack an egg, which are like salad-sized sampling bits inside of here, but for omelets. It'll be good. I'll let you know. They'll let you know. I actually got off the phone with Steve not too long ago, and he said he was gonna be here around 7 a.m. So that's for breakfast tomorrow. Oops. All right, this fridge is not level. So you might be asking yourself right now, Jack, why is there no beer? Jack has misplaced his identification. I don't know where it is. So, we gotta find that. Sorry, Kevin over at Remotech, they make like sim rig simulators, and they have one on display there, and these things are like violent from my understanding, but they're as close to real life. And they got a thing that's going on, and we're gonna go to it. It's like a 15-minute walk from here. We're gonna go see what we can get into. They said I can get in one, so we're gonna go check that out. I'm pretty excited about that. This thing is wild. I put a picture of it, put a clip of it in my Instagram story. But all right, so now that we got that stuff, now that we got the food away, all right, food away, that's there. My stuff's put away. Let's go for a walk. We're gonna go walk around the city on the way. It was like good opportunity to do a couple things, right? Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, so I lie. I'm gonna be a coward and go get the car and drive down there. I'm looking at the map, and it's like right next to the highway, and I'm kind of sus about walking by myself at night in a town I don't know where I'm at, having that situational awareness moment. So it's like, we're just gonna go get the car and drive down there. It looks like it's at this place called the Silo. Not sure what it is. It's not a nightclub. I don't think. Not sure. It might be. I'm gonna look into this some more. Hold on. No, this place ain't no nightclub. It's a freaking auto museum. That's what it is. Look at this. It's a freaking auto museum. Oh, this is gonna be cool. I'm stoked. Now, let's go. Definitely happy I'm driving. That means there's gonna be car people there with cars. We can do car guy things. Yeah, cars. All things cars. Let's go get the car. All right. I ain't gonna lie though, those are pretty cool. All those towers over there there's people living in them that have, smell of skunk. All right, so this is my confession moment. Kevin from Rymotech, if you're watching this or you see this, I did try to come. All the doors seem to be locked. It is what it is. It's okay, not the end of the world. On that note though, I do want to go exploring. I do want to see the city at night, and I just seen the Christmas tree thing right down here, so maybe we're gonna start this over. All right, so yeah, let's recap. The CeeLo Auto Club is actually an auto museum. It's like an auto museum slash storage facility all in one, right? Which is pretty cool overall as a thing. This is a convection and a convention oven. That's cool. All right, anyway. It was it was a cool place, but I couldn't get in. And all the windows are frosted. I think it was more of a private event that this gentleman may have invited me to, or I was extremely late to the game because time zone things, more or less. Basically because time zone things. So I decided, Jordan's on his way here, right? And I was like, you know, I need to catch up on some editing because I still got to edit Real Talk vlogs for tomorrow. So figured instead of, Jordan will be here at, well, 7:30 my time, so it's 4.5 hours. What is that? He'll be here at like midnight? No, 10, 11, yeah, something like midnight tonight. So you know what? We're gonna edit, and then we'll go walk the streets. Oh, and there is something super cool. There's like this giant, so there's this giant Christmas tree. I have yet to find it. I've seen it in like the corner of my eye 2 different times now. We're gonna find it tonight. I'm on a mission. I talked to Colton earlier, and I'm like, you know what? We're gonna call Colton on Zoom call and talk to him because he'll find that absolutely amazing. So we're gonna eat some food, do some editing, and then go nightlife exploring. I was told by locals to just stay on Massachusetts and you're gonna have a great time. So we're gonna walk around and see what's out there.